Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Nano Banana. First, ensure you have the necessary access and environment set up. This typically involves installing a small SDK or connecting to a cloud service. Next, familiarize yourself with the basic commands or functions. We'll cover how to input your first prompt and interpret the initial output, making sure you're ready to explore its full potential. Now, let's dive into Nano Banana's core features. This compact model excels at tasks like quick text generation or simple data analysis. You'll learn how to adjust settings, such as output length or creativity levels, to get precise results. We'll also touch upon how to feed it different types of input, ensuring you can leverage its capabilities across various scenarios with ease. To get the most out of Gemini Nano Banana, adopting a few best practices is key. Crafting clear and specific prompts will significantly improve the quality of its responses. We'll discuss strategies for prompt engineering, helping you avoid vague outputs. Additionally, understanding its limitations and when to use it for specific tasks will enhance your overall experience and productivity with this powerful, yet small, AI. Finally, let's look at some advanced applications for Gemini Nano Banana. You can integrate it into larger systems for automated tasks or develop custom solutions. Consider combining it with other tools to create more complex workflows. We'll also discuss how to stay informed about updates and new features, ensuring you continue to maximize its utility in your projects. This will help you grow your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.